Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is really special for me because for today's video I have struggled a lot. Few months ago I was dreaming about this. We have gone through many videos on many libraries, many models. We are seeing CNN model for image classification, image recognition. We have used Opencv model for face detection and face recognition. We have used MTCNN, plenty of programs we have done on MTCNN with face recognition, face detection, face alignment. We have seen also face detection and face recognition using FaceNet. We have seen face alignment, face detection and face recognition using DLIB. We have seen one video of Ganguly face, that face alignment popular video. We have seen deep face library with face alignment, face detection and face recognition. Our latest video of deep face library using benchmark method we have seen. Also we have seen face recognition, face detection and face recognition using FEAR library. We have seen facial emotion recognition using DLIB, using deep face, using FEAR. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about face recognition using TensorFlow. By watching today's video, you will clear-cut get idea what is training part and what is dataset part. First of all, I will show you my initial state of the program. I have not train folder and trace folder here. You can see here I am not having test folder and train folder. Now we will go through the program. Here is the program. So using Keras and this thing. So I will be, after executing the program, I will be creating the saved folder. In that, test folder and train folder, and my images will be storing. So face recognition will be done, and that's all. So enter username. You have to enter the username. You have to give name to the image, which will be a data set which you will be creating. Now we will execute the program to do the training part. Yes. New user 1 I will do. Yes. I will give the name Sanjay. Yes, it is go on creating. Yes. So this is training part, and after the completion of the program we will show the data set. So it is go on creating the faces. Fine. So that actually I want to tell you what is training part and what is data set part. So for TensorFlow I have been struggled for lot for this. Okay, fine. Now save folder has been created. Yes, fine. We can see here a test folder. In that my name is there and my face is there. Fine. Here my face is there. We can see here. Yes. Okay, fine. And also the ID is there, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. ID is also there. We can see here, and also in training part folder we can see here. So that is, so my face is recognized, name is there, ID is there. So I successfully done with face recognition using TensorFlow. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on TensorFlow, Keras, FaceNet, MTCNN, Opencv, DLIB, DFace, FEAR, and if possible CNN. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel Sanjay Mahajan YouTube on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.